Today I am going to discuss one poem with all of you. As you can see in this picture, these are the four men who are carrying this palanquin. And this poem talks about the experience of these palanquin bearers, means how they carry this palanquin. So they are comparing their task of carrying palanquin with different aspects. Today I am going to discuss the central theme of the palanquin bearers. Central idea of this poem today I am going to discuss of this poem, The Palanquin Bearers, written by Sarojini Naidu. So, what here these palanquin bearers they are trying to say is, lightly or lightly we bear her along. Means they are saying that they carry their palanquin very gently, and this palanquin moves in the wind along with the bearer's song, just like just like a flower which sways in the wind. So palanquin glides like a bird on the foam of a stream, and bearers carry palanquin like a pearl on a string. The palanquin looks like a pearl hanging on a string. As you can see in this picture, palanquin skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. So the movement of palanquin is compared with skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. And as you can see, palanquin moves in the air like the smile reflects on the lips of a person who is in a dream. So she floats like a laugh from the lips of her dream. Means palanquin floats. How is the experience of carrying this palanquin? Palanquin moves in the air like the smile. How it moves? Just like the smile reflects on the lips of a person who is in a dream. Palanquin bearers carry palanquin very happily and gently. Gaily means happily, gently. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide, we carry her along, singing our song just like a pearl on a string. So, just like pearl on a string, we carry palanquin very happily, very gently. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. As you can see in this next stanza, what these palanquin bearers they are saying, palanquin bearers they carry palanquin very slowly, and palanquin hangs like a star in the form of a dew of their song. In the form of a dew, this palanquin hangs like a star in the form. As you can see, this dew just looking like a star, shining, shining star. So, palanquin also hangs like a star in the form of a dew, in the form of the dew of their song. Palanquin springs like a sun rays in the brow of the tide. So, palanquin bearers, what they are saying, that it springs like a sun rays on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Means palanquin falls from air just like a tear from the eyes of a bride, and it moves slowly like a pearl on a string. So this one is a central theme. Students, palanquin bearers they are comparing the task of carrying palanquin with different things, just like a tear from the eyes of a bride, just like you know the pearls hanging on the string, just like the movement of birds, movement of flowers. So with all these things, palanquin bearers they are expressing their happy and joyful task of carrying their palanquin. Thank you, students, for listening. In my next session, I will discuss the critical appreciation of the palanquin bearers. Thank you.